Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing good. And today I'm going to teach you a very basic, fresh, clean makeup look that can also be a tanned makeup look for some people. So if you're interested in learning this beautiful look, which I am wearing right now, so keep on watching till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first part is to prep your skin, and I'm using the Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream from Heimish, a great Korean brand. And you can check out the review of other products from Heimish on my channel. I'll post the link in the description box. And it's a great cream, very hydrating, contains AHA, but the best part is its fragrance. You literally smell like roses all day. Next is the Ingrid Mineral Silk and Lift foundation, and I always use it as eye primer and it has never failed me. So just use it all over your eyelids. I prefer to use it through my fingers and then use the beauty blender. Now I'm going to set it up with a compact powder from Sephora. Great compact. Next, I'm going to use the Color Harmony Tailor Made palette from L'Oreal Paris. I'm using the dark brown shade on the outer corner of my eyes and dragging it towards the inner corner, covering the crease. And then I'm using the light copper, I guess it's copper, shade on the inner corner of my eye and blending everything together and using the dark shade on the under eye as well. Then I'm going to use this amazing and my favorite illuminating cream from Vollare Cosmetics, and I'm using on the high points of my face because we are doing a glowy, natural, fresh makeup and a pro tip. And it's basically a dupe of the MAC Strobe cream. Now I'm going to use my favorite again, baby lips from Maybelline, to make my lips hydrated till I reach to use the lipstick on my lips. Now I'm filling my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. I don't use any eyebrow gel because I don't think it's necessary. Just enough so that it looks matched. Now I'm using again one of my favorite and amazing foundation called the Inglot HD foundation. It's in shade 84, one shade or two shade I guess darker than my skin, and I'm using a darker foundation because we are going to do a glowy fresh makeup or a tanned look, yeah, all in one. So you can always use any foundation that matches your skin tone, but I would recommend using a foundation that's darker for this look so that you get a very sun-kissed fresh look, because we are using a lot of golden in the makeup. I'm blending it really well, and I'm not going to use any uh, more concealers on my face other than under the eyes. So blending is the key, and then it's a great concealer called HD Pro Concealer from um, LA Girl, I guess. Yeah, LA Girl, and I'm using it strategically to make my eye appear bigger and to actually create that sharp eyeliner, so it looks really angular. You need a little bit of patience for that, but blend it really well. Make sure the lines does not appear too much of the concealer. It's a very affordable concealer. Now I'm going to set it up all with a powder from the Mercier. Great setting powder, and it also brightens the under eye really well. A great investment in makeup. And now I'm going to use the contour from Luscious Cosmetics. Very affordable, yet a great contour palette. And I'm using it on my nose, and then I'm trying to feel my cheekbones. The trick to use the concealer is to feel your cheekbones and apply it just under your cheekbone to highlight it. And now blend it really well. Make sure to blend your contour lines really well and don't let them appear. The contour lines should create an illusion, not a harsh line on your face. And now I'm blending the nose tip as well. And just taking the little bit of the contour on the sides of my nose. I'm not using a lot of it. Now I'm using the Illuminating Cream from the same palette and using it on the high points of my face and on my cupid's bow. And it is such a pretty color and very affordable. Great brand. I got it many moons ago in a mystery box, and it's still here with me and it's still so great. And now blend it all with a clean fluffy brush. Alright, and just I'm blending it under the brow bone as well. It gives a very nice great sun-kissed look when you use it under the brow bone. And now I'm setting my face with a setting powder. Okay, this is the Glow powder. I guess it's the Glow Illuminating Powder from L'Oreal, and it has unfortunately been discontinued. It's been with me since a long time, and I specifically use it for looks like this, like it's my precious. Okay, so here is the blush. Great, and my favorite blush from MAC. I guess it's Dilly Dolly. Very nice. Rosy pink blush. Now I'm using this lipstick as a lip liner. It's from Sweet Touch brown lipstick, which never fails me when I use it as a lip liner. Really great, and it enhances any boring lipstick. And I don't know, transform into some sort of a beauty. So make sure to use it really well around your lips. I'm not going to overline my lips, like, make it too much big. I'm going to keep the natural shape, and I'm using this Manna Shea from their, I don't know, it was in a box, I guess. I've done its review. You can just check it out on the video. And I used to hate it, but I thought that I should try it up with this lipstick, from Sweet Touch, and whoa, it has transformed into some sort of a beauty. I think it's so much similar to the color that JLo uses. Now I'm going to use a mascara. So this brings us to the end of our video, and I hope that you have enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed creating it. And if you want to know more about which products I've used and want to dive deeper, and go to my website aishabucks.com. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao.